Solid advice about how to make money online that will benefit everyone. Everyone knows someone who is making a killing online, but how do you get to do the same yourself? Would you like to give up your job and instead work from home? If you are interested in learning more about working online, this video has the tips and tricks you need. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. You can earn money tutoring others. So, if you want to work at home, consider e-teaching. As long as you have an in-depth knowledge in a certain area, you could be a tutor for a site like Smart Thinking or Tutor Vista. If you do good, a lot of doors will open up. Now that you've read all of these great tips and tricks, you are primed to make some money online. Take your time as you begin to figure out what niche is right for you. Once you find your money-making opportunity, build up your drive and start tackling it with passion. Student loan.